Bring it close. Pressure good enough for you? Okay. Oh, you want deep tissue?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Too much? You sure? Right now? No, it won't. I'd open your eyes up, huh? No, I got you. Bring it down just a little bit. So you got a lot of scar tissue here from the right now?
Mm-hmm. Very good.
Too much?
That's good.
All right. That's good enough.
Kick pain. Get well at the Miami Spine Clinic.
Hi guys, we have Samantha. Samantha, what do you do?
I'm a teacher. I'm an esthetician.
And
I
an
do
est-
lashes.
Okay. And where can they find you?
You can find me on Instagram at Lash On Wax Off.
Lash on, wax off.
Yes.
All right.
Underscore beauty bar.
You said what?
Underscore beauty bar.
Underscore beauty bar. So if you need your lashes done, like myself,
All
psych,
wax.
never. You can find her.
Yes, on Instagram.
All right, cool. Located where?
On Fayette Avenue, opposite Tasty Delight.
And that's our Bahamas, because we're in Bahamas now, guys.
We are.
And she's in here. She's about to get a massage. Because what happened? What's going on?
I'm experiencing back pain and neck pain because of my position and what I do for my job. I sit like this all day.
How long you had this
So
pain
it's
for?
giving me bad posture. Probably over a year now.
Over a year now?
Yeah.
Okay. Over a year? And you just not getting in?
Well, I don't know anyone. Do you know chiropractor that's in Nassau?
Yeah.
I've never seen one. Where?
I'll tell them about it later, but not now.
I haven't seen a chiropractor.
I know some good ones. None as good as me, but I do know some good ones. No, I'm being modest. I'm just playing. Now I know some good guys over here in Bahamas, so I'll let you know if you want to keep up with some consistent work. But I'm here once a month.
Okay.
So once a month, if you could do that, if you could actually show up, we'll get you right. Cool?
Makes sense.
All right, cool. So I'm going to have you tilt your head forward. Any pain?
No.
Bring your head back. Any pain? This way. Any pain? Yeah. And this way. Any pain?
Definitely.
Now, did the muscle stem help at all?
It did.
It did?
It did, yeah.
Okay, cool. So it hurts when you lean to the left, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Does it hurt when I press here?
Yeah, that's where the pain is at.
That's where the pain is at?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Okay, cool. And you never been to chiropractor? Have you been to chiropractor before?
I've never been.
Why not?
My first time.
Are you scared?
Like I said, I didn't even know they had chiropractors there. That was.
You ever come to Miami?
I always in Miami.
I'm in Miami.
I just never. I saw it here when I looked up Essence, and I was like, okay, I'll try it here.
You never heard of me before?
Never.
It's cool. Whatever.
It's my
I
first
don't care.
time.
Okay, I don't care.
So let's see how good you are.
Let's see. All right, let's have you lay on your back.
Okay. Move my head up.
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
Mm-hmm. Slide back this a little bit. Let me just put that right there. Put it right there. All right, just relax on me. Are you nervous?
I am.
No.
Someone said you can get paralyzed from this, you know.
What is it?
I'll let him know when you finish with the video.
What's her name?
Raven.
Goodbye, Raven. That's relaxing.
Oh my god. Wow, that was loud. Wow. It's good.
That's good?
Mm-hmm. I wasn't expecting that.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
What was Raven expecting? You to die?
Yeah, she said you're gonna be paralyzed, girl. I guess.
You crying?
Mm-hmm. That was really good. Wow.
Just relax. I got you.
Mm. Mm. Okay.
All right. Can we wave to Raven?
Bye.
Bye, Raven. How we doing?
That was fine. That was fine. I didn't hear any crap.
Okay. All right. Cool.
Mm.
How'd yourself?
This is what I'm scared of right here.
What you scared of?
Crap. Oh my God. I'm good.
You good? Yeah.
Okay, my back feels much better.
Much better.
I feel like rock.
Do you feel much better or do you feel paralyzed?
Much better. Not
Much better?
paralyzed.
Not paralyzed.
Right.
All right. So we're good at not paralyzing people.
Mm-hmm.
Also good at making people feel better. Lay on your side. Face me. Straight. There you go. Hug yourself. There you go. Just relax. Okay? Just relax.
Okay. Okay.
Wiggle your toes. Wiggle your toes. Can they move?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Not paralyzed.
Not paralyzed. On your back. Relax. Huh? Just relax. I got you. Good. All right. Let's have you lay on the other side. What does Raven do for work? Lie. That's what she does. She lies for a living.
Oh man, when she sees this, she's gonna kill me.
She is. Then Raven would be the one to paralyze you,
I guess.
not the chiropractor.
Not the chiropractor.
Then you can tell everybody, don't go around Raven.
Yeah, she's gonna kill me.
She's gonna kill you. The chiropractor is gonna what?
Make you feel better.
Make you feel better.
That's it.
That's right.
Mm-hmm.
Just relax, huh?
Oh! Jesus Christ.
Jesus was a chiropractor. You know that?
I know now.
Because, I mean, like, who else was walking around healing people with their hands?
Mm-hmm. Him.
Him, me,
And
that's
you,
about
yeah.
it. Me and Jesus. They said be Christ-like, so I went to chiropractic school. Swing your feet around.
Whew.
All right. Just relax. Good. Just relax. Come on, right around here. No, come over here. Right here. Good. Just relax. I got you. I fix these hands. I can make money with these, right?
Mm-hmm.
We fix hands. There we go. How you feel so far?
I feel good.
You feel good?
Mm-hmm.
All right, Raven. Thumbs down. Raven, we're going to do a peace treaty. You come in, you get adjusted. I won't kill you, I promise. But you're going to have to pay double for lying. Right?
Right.
Right. Cool. right. Now we're gonna get started with your massage.
You'll be so tiny. Is pressure good enough for you?
You could go out of.
Okay. Oh, you want deep tissue?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I feel it in my arm.
Hmm?
I feel it in my arm.
You feel?
I feel it in my arm.
Your arm? Oh, you was still tense.
Ooh. Mm. Ooh. Mm. All the pain right there.
Mm-hmm. I feel it. You have a lot of build up tissue.
Right there. Mm.
So I asked one of them if they could put like a hot towel in the towel warmer, please.
Mm.
I don't wanna be alone.
How do you say what pain? That's on?
Yeah. Yep, my hands are arm.
On the arm? Right here? Mm-hmm. You still peeing? Mm-hmm. Let me check back right here. It's still tight?
Mm-hmm. This is about
Mm-hmm.
nothing.
This side, this feel like it loosen up.
Yeah.
Too much?
This hurts.
You sure?
I just can feel it.
Right now.
That was a lot.
That was long. That open your eyes up, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I gotcha. Bring it down just a little bit. So you got a lot of scar tissue here from the turning up. Well, you work with your hands, so. So when you come to Miami, we can do some more work on this. I ain't hard to find. I'm in Little Haiti. So you can look me up on Instagram, Miami Spine. I got your legs shaking. Want me to ease up?
Oh, it's good.
Okay. Right now. Jesus, yeah, man. All right, how you feeling? Still up in there? A little tight?
Not this side, this side.
This side?
Yeah.
All right. In the trap? All right, right here.
Right there.
Right there? Let's have you drop this shoulder. Drop that shoulder down. There you go.
Mm. Mm.
Right there?
Mm-hmm. Mm. Oh.
Too much? That's good?
Yeah, that's good.
Drop that arm. Put this head over. There you go.
Mm.
How you feeling?
feel like it awkwardly moved.
All right. So. Yeah, please. Slide down for me just a little bit. Right now?
Mm-hmm. Right there.
Too much?
That's good.
All right. That's good enough.